I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Mini Cooper back seat. First, fold down both rear seat backs to gain clear access to the area behind them. Next, identify the two plastic clips that secure the front edge of the bottom seat cushion. These are typically found near the floor, one on each side. With a firm and steady motion, pull upwards on the front edge of the seat cushion to release it from these clips. This initial step is crucial for accessing the next components. Once the front clips are released, you might find electrical connectors attached to the underside of the seat base, especially if you have heated seats. Carefully disconnect these by pressing their release tabs. Now, with the front free, push the entire seat base firmly towards the rear of the car. This action disengages the rear retaining hooks. Finally, gently lift the entire seat base out of the vehicle, ensuring no wires or trim pieces are snagged. Take your time here to avoid damage. With the bottom cushion removed, you can now focus on the seat backs. Look for the two bolts that secure each seat back hinge to the car's frame. These are usually visible at the base of the seat backs, near where they pivot. You will need a 13mm socket wrench to loosen and remove these bolts. Once both bolts are out for one seat back, carefully lift it straight up. This motion disengages it from its mounting points. Repeat this process for the other seat back. After removing all components, store them safely in a clean, dry place to prevent any damage or loss of parts. It's also a good idea to take this opportunity to clean the area where the back seat was, as dust and debris can accumulate there. Double-check for any forgotten items or tools. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. This completes the removal process, giving you more cargo space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.